No, hey baby. Good morning. How's your sleep? Was your sleep good? Good. I'm glad. I'm glad you had good sleep, you had good rest. How's your belly? Is your belly feeling better? That's good. You were feeling pretty sick. And what about your head? Is your head feeling okay? No more headaches? Good. That's good, sweetie. No, sweetie. Is there anything I can get you? Anything whatsoever? Yeah? Can I get you water? Breakfast? A brand new handbag? Anything, sweetie? Anything for my princess? Maybe like a brand new car or a jet? Yeah? Nothing? No, you just want to cuddle. Okay. We can lie here and cuddle. You know, I still find it wild that it's gonna be us three soon. Me, you, and the baby. That's just crazy. I mean, I'm so lucky to have you. I never thought I would ever get here. Having you and having a child coming soon, I feel so lucky. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I am a little bit scared. But I know it's gonna be okay. 'Cause we have each other. I know. Everything's gonna be okay. But I know that your baby's gonna be good. It's gonna be such a beautiful thing. It is. Our baby's gonna be so beautiful. Just like you. No, sweetie, let me give you a belly rub. Yeah. Your belly's so smooth. Oh, I think I can feel the baby moving. I think I can feel the baby kicking. I still can't believe that we're gonna be parents. I know it's crazy. Sweetie, you're gonna be a great mother. Don't worry, okay? You don't have to worry. You really don't. You're gonna do fine. I know you're gonna do fine. You're gonna do fine because I know how caring you are. I know how nurturing you are. And I know how loving you are. And that's why I fell in love with you in the first place. Because you're just so perfect and lovely in every single way. Okay? So you don't have to worry. Okay? Of course, I'm going to be a good father. I'll be a great father, okay? I'll raise our child the best that I can. And I'll love you and the baby with all my heart. So I promise you, I'll be a great father. And also a great husband. Because you guys are my everything. You know, when I first saw you, I thought you were the most beautiful girl in the world. I did. I absolutely did. I was so scared. I was so scared to approach you. But I managed to get the courage to come and say hi. I was surprised when you gave me your phone number. I was shocked. I was excited. And I still remember our first date. And I remember what you were wearing. And I can still smell the perfume. I fell madly in love with you that day. You were so sweet. You were so caring. I knew you were the one. And I knew you were the one that I wanted to spend my life with. And look at us now. Having a baby on the way. We're gonna have a family. And I know it's been an amazing journey. But I'm glad to have this journey with you. The baby's kicking right now. Yeah. Baby's kicking kind of hard. Let me grab that. Let me grab the hot water bottle for you, yeah. It's gonna make you feel better. Give me 1 second, sweetie. Here you go, sweetie. And you got get you that heated water bottle for your belly. Yeah, let me put on your belly really quick. Doesn't that feel better? I'm glad it does. Of course, sweetie, I would do anything for you and the baby. Of course I would. Yeah, come close. Come close, I want to cut over a bit. You know, you have the most beautiful eyes in the world. I'm serious. Your eyes are really, really something special. I mean, I'm not telling you this just to impress you or anything. I just happen to notice them. I mean, I've always noticed them. It's just that sometimes, your eyes, they sparkle. They do. Especially when you talk about something you love. Sometimes it can be kind of distracting, but I don't mind it. I mean, honestly, who wouldn't get lost in your eyes? I mean, I do. All the time. I do. And sometimes when the light just hits your eyes just right, they glow. Your eyes glow. You have this unique beauty that I can't help notice. But honestly, sweetheart, you should be really, really careful. Because with eyes like those, you might steal someone's heart without even trying. In your lips. I mean, you got the most beautiful lips in the world. You really do. There's something about your lips that just draws me in. When you smile, it lights up the whole room. It's like everything fades away but me and you. And I feel so lucky to be here with you. And when you speak, I could listen to you for hours. Your voice combined with the way your lips move just mesmerizes me. It makes everything you say feel so special. Your lips are not just beautiful, they hold so much warmth and kindness in them. It makes it comforting to be close to you. I mean, sweetheart, you're amazing inside and out. And your lips are just, a part of it. And your hair is just, it's just so beautiful. And I love brushing my hair behind your ear. And it looks so soft and smooth. And I like the way how the light shines on it. It just glows. And I get lost in it sometimes. Your hair just fits your face so perfectly, it frames it so perfectly. But I really, really like brushing my fingers through your hair. It feels nice.